All right, good morning, everyone. This is Frank Ochoa with your Mr. Topstep pre-market update along with Kathy and Jack. And here today for the ES, obviously we've held gains after the move up we had yesterday, and into the close we went up and hit fresh highs 1785 quarter in the ES, and we have since pulled back from those levels and currently have an overnight low at 1779, which was basically after hours on the opening ticks, and we've held that so far. I think right now the short-term level is 1783. We broke down below that level earlier in the day. We came back to retest 82.75s a few times, which has gone offer, and we've pulled back to the bottom of that short-term range. But I think short-term 1783 is the pivot to watch. We break above that, we can retest highs and push higher. Continuing to hold below that level indicates a retest back toward the breakout point yesterday, 1775s. Right now, in terms of targets for the day, the primary upside target, let's see, that I have for the ES today is 1792 quarter. So that obviously forecasts more strength ahead, 1792 quarter. The other one would be a scaling point at 87.75. So 87.75 and 92 quarter would be the upside primary targets. But again, we got to get above that 83 pivot. If 83 continues to hold, then the downside looks like 76 half and 72. So 76 half would be here, 72 would be a bit lower. And so those are the two key pivots here. But overall, we've had a very bullish advance yesterday with that MEM. Came out of the gate smoking hot and pushed higher into the close. I think after you get some type of big blow off like this, a big time push the way we did, you usually see a little bit of sideways to down action in the upcoming day. We had such a big range. I mean, it was one of the 3 or 4 biggest ranges we've seen in a while yesterday, and typically speaking, you usually see a little bit of quieter action after that. So I would say, range type of environment could put this between 75 and 85 for right now, at least short term. For crude oil futures, this one here continues to be bearish. We've had that 95.40 as a significant resistance level, 96 as the big swing pivot, and we've held below those levels the entire time. We got a breakdown below 94s, which led to a sell-off a couple of days ago. Yesterday was the pullback day to 94.5, which held double top at that level. And right now, overnights, we held 94s and just dropped to new lows below the overnight low there. So right now, I think 94s, obviously, that retest was important. Breaking down below that level was significant, but we're now in that area of key support right here. I think 93.12 to 93.31, that's an area of support you want to watch. That's between yesterday's open price and the prior day's pit close before that. And that area right now is holding as support. I think you break down below those 93.12s, which held as support, 93.10, that's when things get interesting to the downside, and we likely see the continuation down to our weekly bear target. Our weekly bear target for this week is 92.40. It's been 92.40 all week long. The extended weekly bear target is 91.41. So I think obviously we're gearing down toward a test of 92.40s ahead. In terms of day targets, the primary to the downside is 92.85. 92.85 with a full target at 92.46. On the upside, obviously 93.10s. This is the pivot right here, 93.10. We hold 93.10, then I think we get a little bit higher. And right now the expectation on the upside would be, if these 93.10s continue to hold, 93.89 and 94.28. I'll have this video posted up soon, and I'm also going to post a video, some of the levels as well. That's it for right now. Good morning. Good luck the rest of the day. Hi, Kathy. You're up.